of sad we're cooking pretzels over a stove.
Well, we did have marshmallows, and plus, it's a great brother-sister bonding activity.
I think the only things bonding are the pretzel to the steak.
You think? I don't want it to get overcooked. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Oh no, now we ate our pretzel kebabs.
Kebabs? We could make kebabs.
It's a great idea, but what's in them?
Well, we could use these ingredients.
Okay, well now that we know the ingredients, we should make it. In a bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of olive oil, lemon juice, vinegar, garlic, 2 teaspoons oregano, 1 teaspoon basil, thyme, coriander, and season with salt and pepper to taste.
Place chicken in a gallon-sized resealable bag. Pour olive oil mixture over chicken and press chicken into marinade. Seal bag and refrigerate 45 minutes to 2 hours, no longer than 2 hours, or the chicken will start to get mealy. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes.
Drizzle and toss veggies with 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. We just left them on the cutting board and tossed them. And season with remaining 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon basil, and salt to taste.
Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Thread a red bell pepper, a red onion, zucchini, 2 chicken pieces to skewer, and repeat twice on each skewer.
Grease a baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Place kebabs on baking sheet. Bake kebabs in oven until chicken is cooked through, about 16 to 22 minutes. Okay, well now that we have the kebabs, maybe we should make a sauce to go with them.
What kind of sauce?
I was thinking like a tzatziki.
Well, what's in it?
Well, why don't we go check that out? Now, peel the cucumber if desired. It adds a faint texture and will lightly tint the dip, but this is optional to peel. Slice cucumber in half throughout the length and use a spoon to remove seeds.
Chop cucumber into chunks, then add to the food processor. Pulse until cucumber is almost finely chopped.
Remove blade from food processor and take the cucumber out into a cheesecloth. Then press the cheesecloth together to remove some of the liquid. Make sure to reserve this liquid for later.
Add yogurt, cucumber, dill, garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice to a medium mixing bowl. Season with salt and pepper if using to taste.
Stir mixture until well blended. If you find it's a little thick for your liking, you can pour in some of the reserved cucumber juice from the food processor.
This will make it a little more wet. If serving over warm food like salmon, chicken, steak, or cooked veggies, let rest at room temperature about 30 minutes. Store in fridge.
Now let's try it. Yummy kebabs.
I'm just like dipping like the first piece of chicken.
Okay. Now. Delicious. These are very good. Well, make sure to try them at home. And you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook, which is our @siblings-sous-chefs. And yeah, we can't wait to see you next time. Please make sure to like our videos, follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and tap to subscribe.